Cambly learners. I am teacher John and I am a tutor here with Cambly Kids. So welcome to a new video. Are you ready? Let's go. Now today we're going to talk about something that personally I love. I love sports. Do you like sports? Good. So today we're going to learn about sports and sports equipment. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, can you tell me, what is your favorite sport? Okay, I heard football, I heard badminton, I heard basketball. Those are fun sports. Yeah, I'm glad you get to play those with your friends and family. Now, my favorite sports, I have two. My favorite sport is hockey. I love to play ice hockey. And then in the summertime, I love to play baseball. So our first sport is going to be baseball. Have you ever played baseball? No, you haven't? Okay. So what do you need for baseball? Well, for baseball, we need a ball, don't we? We need a ball. Very good. We also need a glove, a baseball glove, so that we can catch the ball. And we also need something to hit the ball, don't we? Yeah, so we need a bat. We need a bat to hit the baseball. Now, where do you play baseball? That's a good question. You play baseball at the baseball field. All right, let's move on to our next sport, soccer. Now, in Canada and in the USA, we call it soccer, but maybe you call it football. So it has two names, soccer and football. Now, what do you need? Well, you need a net. Yeah, you need a soccer net. And you need a soccer ball or a football. Now, where do you play these games? Where do you play football or soccer? Well, we play it on a soccer pitch or a football pitch. Yeah, have you ever played soccer? You have, I know. I think it's a very famous sport. All right, let's move on to my favorite sport. Are you ready? Do you remember what it is? What's my favorite sport? Do you remember? Hockey. You remember. Thank you for remembering. High five, high five. You have a good memory. Very good. Now, when you play hockey, you need a hockey stick. A hockey stick, yeah. You need a hockey stick. You also need the puck. You also need the puck. Now, it looks kind of like a ball, doesn't it? It looks kind of like a ball, but it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different. It's called a hockey puck. And because you play on ice, ooh, so cold, you can't wear shoes. No shoes, so you have to wear ice skates. Look at those, ice skates. Now, have you ever tried hockey? No? I know, you have to live in a cold country to play hockey. So where do we play hockey? Well, we play hockey on an ice rink. An ice rink, yeah, it's so cold, but so much fun. I love hockey. Now, let's go to a sport where it doesn't have to be cold. No, you want it to be nice and hot. You want it to be nice and hot. Now, that sport is swimming. Swimming. Now, tell me, have you ever gone swimming? You have? I like swimming, yeah. I like swimming in the pool. I like swimming in the sea. That's a lot of fun. Now, what do you need for swimming? Well, you need a bathing suit to go swimming, don't you? You need a bathing suit and you need goggles. You need goggles so that you can see under the water and you don't hurt your eyes. Now, where do you go swimming? Well, we said maybe you go in a pool, maybe you go in a lake, maybe you go in the sea. Lots of places to go swimming. All right. Now, how many more should we do? How many sports? Do you know any other sports? Basketball. I forgot about basketball. You're right. Basketball. That's a very popular sport. Now, for basketball, what do we need? Hmm. Yeah, we need a basketball. You're right. You can't play basketball without a basketball. So you're right. We need a basketball. Good. We also need a hoop. We need a hoop for the basketball to go in. So we need a basketball hoop. Very good. Now, do you know what it's called where you play basketball? That is called the basketball court. Let's go to the basketball court. Very good, the basketball court. You guys are doing awesome. We've learned so many sports. Should we do one more? One more sport? Okay. Now, I know a lot of my students, they like a sport called badminton. Badminton. Have you ever heard of that sport, badminton? You have. Very good. Now, what do you need for badminton? Well, you need the badminton racket. Boing. You need the badminton racket. You also need a little thing called a birdie. But it's not like the real bird. It's not like the real bird. No, no, no. It's a little half ball with like feathers on it. Maybe that's why they call it a birdie. Birdie. And you also need the net. So you can hit the birdie over the net. Badminton's a fun game. Now, where do we play badminton? It's called the same thing, a badminton court. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you instant access to amazing native English speakers who are kid-friendly, just like me. So please ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Use the link below. Thank you for watching, my friends. I will see you next time. Bye.